In this video, I'm going to show you 5 real ways to make money online, and I'm also going to show you the exact resources that you need to succeed in these ways. So watch this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel for more interesting video like this. Now without doing any delay, let's get started. So the first way would be copy trading. So let me make you understand it in a simple way. So what copy trading is, you will be copying the trade from those people who are already making profits while doing online trading. So the type of online trading that these people are going to do is called binary options trading or fixed time trading, or maybe it is called 1 minute trading. So those people who are already doing this kind of trading in a successful way, in a profitable way, you are automatically going to copy their trade in a platform that is called Pocket Option. Now I'll show you what exactly is this binary options trading or 1 minute trading or fixed time trading, whatever you would like to call it. So this is the stock price of Apple. Okay, it is continuously moving up and down. Now you need to firstly select the time frame that you want to invest your money in. So like this is M1, this means 1 minute. Okay, so if you make a trade by clicking either higher, then in 1 minute this price from whichever point you have entered in this trade, this price must go higher so that you can make 92% profit in 1 minute. Okay, so for example, if you select 1 minute time, invest $100, and if you make a trade by clicking on higher and your price went higher, then you are going to get profit of $92 immediately. But with copy trading, you are not going to manually make this trade. Instead, you are going to use this section that is called social trading, and for the detailed tutorial I'll show you the right resources that you need to watch. Okay, and I have already made that for you. So for example, now I'm just showing you how exactly this binary options is traded. Okay, so for example, now again the price is at here and you click on lower, then in 1 minute this price must be in the lower range than the place from where you made a trade. Okay, so I'll show you an example from here. So let's say I selected 5-second time. Okay, in 5 seconds, if I click on higher and this price of this assets goes higher, then I'll make $92 profit within 5 seconds. So I'll show you that now. So now I have selected 5 seconds. My investment amount is $100 and we are trading in Apple stock. So now I think the price of this asset will go lower in 5 seconds. So now let's see. So now it didn't went low, so I made loss. This was a loss. So let me again make another trade of $100 by clicking on higher and see. So it is a little bit higher, so it went higher. Now I am going to make profit. So I made a profit of $92. So in this way, this fixed time trading, binary options trading, or 1 minute trading is done. So this is the one way. Now you are going to use this automatic copy trading, okay, which I have discussed in detail in this YouTube video, which I'll put the link in the description. Profitable way how to copy trade, social trade with Pocket Option. Watch this video, and if you think this is the way that you want to take, then it's fine, you can go with it. Okay, but do not do manual trading. Okay, just try to find out those people who are already making profit and try to copy them, because in online trading, most people who trade, 95% of people lose their money. So that you need to find out those 5% people who are actually making money in this space, and you need to automatically copy this trade, which I have shown you in details in this video. I'll put the link of this video in the description of this YouTube video. So this was a one simple way to start to make money online. Now in another way is by doing drop shipping. Now I'm not talking about the normal drop shipping or physical drop shipping. So this is one step, one level ahead, and this drop shipping is called digital drop shipping. Now this is a paid course. Now I am not affiliated to this course, okay, but still I'll give you the link for this course, because this course is going to be extremely useful for you if you want to make money with drop shipping. So you are not going to do physical drop shipping. Instead, you are going to do digital drop shipping, where the product is of digital nature, which you can produce one time. Okay, so this kind of product is produced one time and delivered several times. It is not like a physical product where you need to keep on buying raw materials. Company do not need to keep on buying raw materials to create the product. Okay, that kind of stuff is called physical product. And physical drop shipping means you are going to sell those physical products and then ship them, which which takes like long time for shipping. And here you can see it is already saturated, customers are really unhappy. Okay, but this is digital drop shipping. You can do this, okay, in order to make money for lifelong. So to learn more about this thing, you can just visit to this person's official website and watch this video, and you can watch some testimonial from their student also. And if you think you want to move on with this way, then you can enroll in his course. So now the another way, the third way to do to make money online is by doing CPA marketing. So I'll make you understand it in a simple way. For example, I have a skin problem and I need to buy a product that is called DermaCorrect, because I have heard somewhere, I may have watched some article where people are talking about DermaCorrect that will solve my skin problem. Now what I will do is I will type on Google or Bing, I'll type DermaCorrect so that I can either learn more about that product or I can purchase that product. Now what happens is I'll start to see some of the ad that are related to DermaCorrect, and if I see the good pricing ad there, then I'm most probably going to buy that product because I already need that product, isn't it? So in that way, what you can do is you can promote products and services, affiliate product and services that are already being sourced by other people in order to purchase, and you can be affiliate of that product and promote that product by joining some CPA network that are called Max Bounty, ClickBank, and there are lots of other network which you can easily find out by typing on Google. Just type CPA networks in this way, and you can see there are lots of CPA network that you can join and get your own unique affiliate link for several products like DermaCorrect, Skin Cell, Advance, Zen Brain, and so on. There are lots of affiliate products that you can just get access to their link by joining this kind of affiliate network. And this is one of my course that is related to CPA marketing, which I have showed you how you can promote this kind of CPA product in Bing ads in order to get sales consistently. And if you think you want to go this way, then this course is going to be perfect for you, and it is available in extremely low price. Okay, I'm giving away 84% discount for those people who are going to use the link that is in the description of this YouTube video. Also, you are backed by 30-day money back guarantee. If you are not satisfied with the course, then you can easily get your this small amount of investment back within 30 days. So this was the one way of doing CPA marketing. So another way is, so for example, let's say I want to lose my weight. Okay, so what I will do is I'll type on Google best weight loss product. Okay, best weight loss pill. Okay, or maybe I'll type on Google or Bing, anywhere. Okay, I may type how to lose belly fat. I can type that kind of keyword in order to search for the solution. Now what you can do is you can promote some of the weight loss product. Okay, these people who are searching how to lose weight, how to lose belly fat, you can promote that product in a specific way, which I have taught in this course. Okay, and this course is also available in heavy discount. Now it's not like I'm here being greedy and promoting my courses to you. Okay, it's not necessary to go with my course, but I think these courses are the best resources that you can use to learn and implement these things to make money for yourself for lifelong. That's why only I am showing you this course. So if you want to go this way, then you can go with my this course. I'll put the link of this course also in the description of this YouTube video. Now the another way that you can go in order to make money for yourself is, firstly let me show you this site. Okay, So here you can see best survey site reviewed, top 19 best online survey site, and he's promoting 6 different site, and he's affiliated to this survey platform. So what this survey platform does is, so for example, if I want to take the survey, then I can join this site, okay, and take survey, and I'll make few amount of money. But the person who is promoting this survey site at here, so for example, if I clicked on any of his link and if I submitted my email address and confirm my email address, then that person is going to get paid $2 to $6, anywhere from $2 to $6 for one sign up. So here you can see is promoting the 7 different site. If I click on here, I'll visit to this site of this inbox dollar with his affiliate link. Okay, so this is also one kind of CPA marketing or affiliate marketing, but by using website and organic traffic, not paid traffic. Okay, so previously we talked about CPA marketing, ClickBank. Okay, those were something that we need to run ads on Microsoft ad, in bing.com, in google.com. okay, in those platform we need to run the ad, but with this kind of site you can get free traffic. Okay, and you can make people to sign up to this survey sites, and then you can earn anywhere from $2 to $5 per sign up for people who are submitting their email address. Similarly, here you can see another site where 7 best weight loss supplement are being promoted. Now all of these are affiliate links from ClickBank, and this is also a website where this website is promoting affiliate link. Now both of these website has a higher probability to get free traffic to their website, and with that free traffic they will be making money. However, this is my own site, okay, which I have used to run paid ads. I'm just showing you as an example, and this is other person's website where he is receiving massive amount of free traffic and he's making thousands of dollars per day. Okay, and if you want to go this route by creating your own website in order to promote affiliate product with free traffic, organic traffic from Google, bing.com, without using any paid traffic, then my number one recommendation for you is to join Wealthy Affiliate. So this platform will teach you to create your own WordPress website in a step-by-step process, and it will also teach you how you can do affiliate marketing in this similar way as this site are doing. Inside Wealthy Affiliate you can do it easily. So you can try Wealthy Affiliate for absolutely free. You don't need to even submit your credit card, but if you want to try their premium plan, then only you need to pay to them. So if you are interested in creating this kind of website, and if you want to make money with this kind of website, then just go with Wealthy Affiliate. Don't think about anything much. Okay, and later when you master these things like creating WordPress website, bringing free traffic, then what you can do is you can go to websites like Flippa and purchase other people's website by giving them good amount of money, and then use that website as a digital assets for yourself to make passive income for lifelong. You can go that way also. Another thing, if you want to create this kind of website, then it is not necessary that you must write article by yourself. Okay, you can go to a website that is called fiverr.com, where you can hire other people to write article for your website. Okay, and you just need to copy and paste that article. Yes, you need to pay those people who write article for you, but in long run you will be making money with that article for your whole life. So if you want to go with in this route, then go with Wealthy Affiliate. It is one of the best platform that is absolutely beginner friendly. Now the another and the last way to make money is one of my favorite, and I would recommend it to anyone who really want to make money for lifelong in an easy way, and this way is called running your YouTube channel. Now this is something that I accidentally discovered that this can also become a good source of income. Okay, my YouTube channel have been monetized recently, and I have made like $136. I have never expected this kind of revenue for just monetized channel. Okay, but I made this revenue in a passive way, and I have started this YouTube channel because I love to create videos. Okay, this kind of screen recording videos. I have learned at one point in time creating this kind of screen recording video, and I love to teach people, okay, share my knowledge to the other people. That's why I created this YouTube channel, and also I wanted to do affiliate marketing with YouTube. That's why also I have created this YouTube channel. But recently it got monetized, and I'm starting to see this revenue from YouTube, okay, and I know this can grow over time. So that's why I have speeded my publishing frequency in order to not only increase the revenue, but also to increase the practice of creating this kind of screen recording videos in the proper way, okay, because now I have thought about making this YouTube also one of my prime income source. And what I think is everybody should own a YouTube channel, okay. Now it is not necessary for you to create your own video if you don't want, okay, but if you can, then you should, because that will increase your practice in order to create this kind of YouTube videos, screen recording videos, where you don't need to show your any face and you just need to talk in the background like the way I am talking, and you just need to use this free software, 100% free software, that is called OBS Studio. You can easily use this software. It is not anything complicated, okay. You can use it to create this kind of screen recording videos. And in case of mic, you just need like $10 to $15 Boya M1 mic, which I am using right now, and it is available on Amazon if you want to buy. And you can create your YouTube channel in order to teach people the thing that you love and understand. So this is the one way to go with YouTube. I will also show you another way you can go with YouTube, okay. So if you want to go with this route, then what I have for you is one of my course which I have created in the initial days when I was just creating videos to make do affiliate marketing with YouTube. And at that time I have created this YouTube affiliate marketing for passive income. Now you can choose to watch this course, and what I have taught you is the same thing, okay, how to create screen recording videos and what type of video you need to create in order to do affiliate marketing. Those things I have showed you in this course. I'll put the link of this course in the description of this video. If you want to go this route, you can go with it. Now another way you can go with YouTube is by doing YouTube automation, okay. For this you need to either go to Upwork or upwork.com or fiverr.com, and in those sites what you can do is you can find people to create video for you, and then you can upload that video in your YouTube channel, okay. Of course you need to pay good amount of money to those people in order to create video for you, but these videos are going to make money for you in long run. And that you can do if you have good amount of income source on a monthly basis or weekly basis, because if you don't have any income source currently, then it is extremely going to be hard for you to create a YouTube automation channel. But if you can afford it, then you can also try any course that is related to YouTube automation. Just search on Google YouTube best YouTube automation course or something like that, and you can easily go with that, learn from those course, and then implement everything that you are going to learn from that course in your YouTube channel and hire other people, okay. Think of yourself, your YouTube channel, as a business, and then hire other people to create video for yourself, okay. And in that way you can go on and you can recreate some viral videos that have already got millions of views, and then you can publish it in your YouTube channel and get maximum amount of views and subscribers, and monetize your channel as soon as possible, and then promote affiliate products and also earn from ad revenue. So this can be the another way that you can go with YouTube. Or in a simple way, if you just want to create a screen recording videos like me, okay, and create your personal channel and teach people about the thing that you know in this kind of web browser, then you can easily take this course. And this course is also backed by 30-day money back guarantee. At any time if you think this course didn't add any value to your life, then you can easily get your money back. So guys, altogether this much I wanted to show you in this video. I think this video added some value to your life, and if it did, then please do like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care, have a great life ahead. Bye bye.